Opposition MPs have gathered 60 signatures for the no confidence motion that they plan to move against Rajya Sabha Chair and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. That's what we have learned from sources. They have taken the notice with 60 signatures to the Rajya Sabha Secretariat and are claiming that the motion has been accepted. That's the claim of the opposition. We have Pragya joining us on the broadcast with this piece of information. Pragya, over to you. Give us more details. Has the motion been accepted? What is the real story?
What we have gathered from the opposition MPs is that they have already moved this motion against Vice President and also Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. In fact, they are saying that they have already moved the motion. It has been signed by all India bloc parties, including TMC, including Samajwadi Party, Aam Aadmi Party. They have submitted it to Rajya Sabha Secretary General, and the motion they say that this has been accepted. They have under Article 67B is what they are saying, that they have moved this resolution of the removal of Vice President, who is also the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. This is also very big news that is coming from Rajya Sabha and Parliament. The excuse and the reason that they have given for this resolution is that there is a partisan attitude of the chairman which is responsible, which has drove them to write this particular no confidence motion. They are saying they have also cited example of how Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge was not allowed to speak in the Parliament and thereby breaching his right as LOP in Rajya Sabha. So this all has been cited in 1.5-page notice resolution that they have no confidence motion that these opposition members have moved against Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and who is also the chairperson of Rajya Sabha. Mr. Nasir Hussain, Jairam Ramesh, several other members went to Rajya Sabha Secretary General office and submitted this particular no confidence motion. This is a huge development that is coming
Indeed,
from the Parliament.
It's a huge development, Pragya, and we all know how earlier in August this year, during the monsoon session of Parliament, the opposition had planned this no trust motion against the Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, but could not really go ahead as the session had ended. But now we are learning that opposition MPs have managed to get about 60 signatures, and they have in fact taken the notice to the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, and they are claiming that the motion has been accepted. Let me now go across to my colleague Pratibha as well. We have a reaction coming in from Jairam Ramesh of the Congress Party. Pratibha, over to you.
Yes, Hina. So the confirmation coming in from Jairam Ramesh, he has taken to social media X. Remember, the opposition MPs have been planning a no confidence motion against the Rajya Sabha chair, and here's what he says: all parties belonging to the India group have had no option but to formally submit a no confidence motion against the learned honorable chairman of the Rajya Sabha for the extremely partisan manner in which he has been conducting the proceedings of the Council of States. It has been a very painful decision for the India parties to take, but in the interest of the parliamentary democracy, they have had to take this step. The motion has been submitted to the Secretary General of the Rajya Sabha. So the India group, the India MPs, have decided to submit a no confidence motion against Jagdeep Dhankar.
Right. Pragya, stay on with us, and in fact, Pratibha, you also stay on with us. We have a reaction now coming in from Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party as well. Let's listen in.
हस्ताक्षर आपने कर दिया है। देखिए, इंडिया गठबंधन के जितने भी दल हैं उन्होंने तय किया है कि सभापति के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लाने का, और इसलिए सबने साइन किया, हमारी पार्टी ने भी साइन किया।
सर, नोटिस अभी आप सबमिट कर दिया गया है या अभी?
नोटिस जमा हो गया है और उसकी डिटेल आपको अभी पता चलेगा।
तकरीबन कितने लोगों ने हस्ताक्षर किए हैं सर?
अभी तक 60 लोगों ने।
And with this, we will